Hi, Roger Connect, President of Universal Accounting Center. I was asked just the other day about these logos that are behind me, and I thought I'd take a quick minute and explain a few of them, and more importantly, just kind of emphasize what they are about or for. So let me just take a quick minute and explain these to you in a way that I think you'd appreciate and understand. So let me start with what's behind me that you don't see, which is Universal Accounting Center. That is our logo. We've been around since 1979, helping people in the accounting profession excel in their careers, and it's basically in one of three ways. It's either giving them the training, the schooling, the certifications they need to improve their careers, where they're able to get the promotions, pay increases, the jobs they've always wanted. And so that's something that we obviously facilitate. But the second two happen to be related to self-employment. It's starting or building successful accounting, bookkeeping, and tax services. And in doing that, we've been, since 1979, help people get the tools and the resources that they need to be competent to do the work and confident to go out there and market those services and provide them to their clients. So what we want to do is just kind of walk through this and see exactly how this all applies. So a lot of people, first of all, notice the professional bookkeeper designation. That's one that people receive as they become proficient in the day-to-day applications of accounting in small business. It's a PB designation they're able to carry. And that's very helpful when you're out there servicing the small business community, because from an employment position, you can show that you've been certified as having the skills to do the full charge bookkeeping services and get paid as an employee to do that job. But the other happens to be, as you're marketing your services to acquire clients, this shows that you, perhaps even your staff, are certified to perform those functions. Now, related to that happens to be over here the QuickBooks Specialist designation. This is sometimes referred to as the Professional Bookkeeper's Guide to QuickBooks. Now, the reason for this one happens to be that it complements very well the Pro Advisor certification offered by Intuit for the QuickBooks professionals, but this is intended to help you as a bookkeeper to be proficient in the actual use of QuickBooks so that you can actually be very good at the various drop downs, reports, and so forth, so that you can efficiently and profitably work with that software to make a business of it, if you will. Now, a lot of people use this as training for their employees so that they can be more effective in the work that they're doing on an hourly basis. So either way, a very appropriate training, basically in both desktop and online. Now, the other that you'd perhaps be interested in is then the Professional Tax Preparer Program. This is specifically for individuals that are tax professionals that want to emphasize their abilities in both preparing individual tax returns and business tax returns. With this, you're basically showing that you're proficient in both. There are a lot of people out there that through various experiences and trainings, they become very good at, let's say, individual preparation of taxes, but they're not really proficient in business, and this is obviously both. And with it, it does carry a designation of a PTP, and it's something a lot of people actually use both in the employment, but more importantly in their marketing of tax services, to show that they're actually certified and proficient in both the individual and business tax preparation. Now, the other ones that actually become very helpful are related to various things that more are on the self-employment world. We've got behind me here color accounting. Color accounting is something that I love. I absolutely do love this. It's for individuals that work with a lot of people that aren't actually accounting types. They've not been formally trained in accounting. They don't know the vocabulary, the reports, and this is an excellent way to introduce clients and employees and so forth to the accounting principles in a way that's fun and interactive. It's basically learning accounting in more of a tangible, hands-on way, so that you can literally see the movement of the accounting process. It's different than learning it, as many of us have, doing it longhand with debits and credits, doing T accounts and so forth, journal entries. What color accounting is really taking the accounting process and making it tangible, where you're literally like game pieces, moving things around and getting to experience both through that tangible feel and also color what it is that's happening on the accounting system. So what we want to do is highly recommend that for individuals that interact with and work with individuals that aren't accounting types. It just improves the communication and it helps everyone get on that level playing field of what's really going on in that business. The other that's really helpful is from a marketing point of view. A lot of people, when marketing their accounting services, struggle to kind of take on that accounting role as well as the sales role, and that's where Bank comes in. Bank is an excellent program that we have that actually assists you in helping understand how you do sales, how you make purchase decisions, but also how other people that you're interacting with are thinking, so that you can present it in a way that they can then use the information you're providing to comfortably make a purchase decision as to your own services. So this is an excellent program that I highly recommend you look into. The next I would actually point out is when you're getting to that consultative level, so many accountants, bookkeepers, tax preparers get to that point in their career where they've got enough experience that they'd love to now take on more of an advisory role with their clients. They'd like to kind of point things out, and they just don't know how to communicate this, how to come across appropriately so that they're not coming across maybe condescendingly or as if they're trying to tell someone what to do in their business. They're wanting to be more of that advisor, that trusted advisor, someone who's identifying trends, pointing out things that they need to be aware of so that they can make more informed, proper business decisions. So we start with that over here with Profit First. Phenomenal program to help business owners see what they can do to be more deliberate in putting profits as a priority in business. An excellent program that allows you as the accounting professional to help them, your clients, see that you're actually emphasizing things that need attention that bring about profit. It's basically putting profit first, exactly as it says. The next thing is becoming a value builder provider. It's this here where you're certified to be a provider of services in a consultative way that literally helps the client understand how they can remove the risks associated in their business that are holding back the valuation of their company and improve the value that their business has so that they as business owners can get the most from it. Now, this actually applies when you're working with bank lending institutions, when you're working with venture capital, when you're looking at maybe a merger and acquisition, or perhaps it's an exit strategy of a buyout or an ESOP or something. What we're talking about here is what can you as the accounting professional do who's so intimately familiar with the numbers of the business to address those things that are maybe weighing down the value of the company that you could actually then address and help the business owner improve and implement in their business the 8 proven things that determine the worth of a company. And whether it be that you're trying to do this as a consultant, an advisor, or you really want to make this an added value to your service, what we're talking about is all of these together allow you to become the premier accounting service in your market. Whether it be that you want to do accounting and bookkeeping, whether or not you want to actually do taxes, whether or not you want to be more advisory in your services, offering Profit First as a service that's above and beyond. If you want to get more into the consultative, doing the value building, maybe it's going out and doing classes and working with your clients doing color accounting. All of these things are meant to help you be seen as that professional. We here at Universal Accounting Center speak of becoming the profit and growth expert. And each of these programs are designed to take your current skills and abilities, add to them, and help you actually move from just charging hourly rates for your services, charging a flat rate for your services, and getting into the more lucrative value-based pricing. So with all that in mind, I encourage you to check these programs out, learn more how they can actually apply to what it is you're doing, and really elevate what you're currently doing today so that you can get paid what you're worth and make this the best year that you can in your accounting career. So understand this, if it's about accounting, it is Universal. We're here to help you. We're excited to do so. So please reach out, give us a phone call, give us a time that's convenient for us to speak with you, and we'd love to find out about your experiences, your goals, and how we might be able to help you. Take care, have a great day, and again, if it's about accounting, it is Universal. Take care and have a great day.